Okay, and this is first the Yamaha M1A that I'm going to give you a little video tour of. The piano is in really good condition. It's hard and different lighting to get the best feel for the wood itself and the grain, but it is very, very beautiful. I'm trying to get you different angles here as well. At least I think it's really very attractive looking. So this is how the fall board lifts up on this particular Yamaha. You have a little drop down for the music stand. And then the top has a unique feature. On most Yamahas, the lid will actually lift up like this. This lid lifts and hinges on the end down there. And again, I'll take the piano apart so you can get a little tour of the inside as well. But I'll show you that there's a little mast here that kind of goes into, and that allows the lid to be lifted up so that the piano can, well, it has a different look, but it's primarily to let sound out of the instrument. It gives it a little bit of the effect similar to a grand piano like this one. That's what they were going for there. Again, I do think that this one has more of a mid-century feel, I think, than even the Steinway, but they're both, mid-century modern for sure. Okay, this one actually was made in the 80s, so you know that already. So there is, let me come over here and show you this side of the cabinet. The only real imperfection that I can find is right here. There's like a little bit of scaling. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a little leopard skin or something. It's just a rough. And it obviously is, there you go, now you can see it in that light. See it? So it's not coming apart or anything, it's just some scaling on the finish there. Let's see if I can get better lighting here. There you go. So you can see underneath. And then the bench itself looks to be in good condition as well, very good condition. There's a little stuff on the surface there, but I think it could just come off with a rag or something, and then inside. So while I wiped down the piano, I didn't wipe down the bench, and I think that's what I'm seeing on the bench there. Okay, let me take the piano apart.